Flat Earth theory posits that the Earth is a flat, disc-shaped object rather than a spherical planet. While some proponents of this theory claim to have evidence to support their beliefs, there are numerous absurdities and inconsistencies within the flat Earth model. Here are a few of them. Horizon and curvature. One of the most glaring absurdities is the complete dismissal of the Earth's curvature. When we observe distant objects disappearing from view over the horizon, it's due to the Earth's spherical shape. Flat Earth theory fails to explain why objects disappear bottom first and why the horizon appears curved from high altitudes. Gravity. Flat earthers often struggle to explain gravity within their model. Gravity is the force that pulls objects towards the center of mass, which is why we feel a downward force on Earth. In the flat Earth model, gravity is either denied or replaced by other dubious explanations, such as objects being constantly pushed upward by an unknown force called universal acceleration. Sun and Moon. According to the flat Earth model, the Sun and Moon are much smaller and closer to the Earth than mainstream science suggests. This notion contradicts basic observations such as the changing size of the Moon throughout its orbit, the phases of the Moon, and the ability to observe different time zones simultaneously. Flight paths. Flat Earth theory struggles to explain the paths that airplanes take during long-haul flights. In reality, airlines follow great circle routes, which are the shortest distances between 2 points on a sphere. If the Earth were flat, these flight paths would be inefficient and nonsensical, as they would need to constantly adjust for the flat Earth's geometry. Satellite imagery. The existence of satellite imagery, such as photographs of the Earth from space, is dismissed or labeled as fraudulent by some flat earthers. However, the abundance of satellite imagery and videos taken from the International Space Station clearly shows the Earth as a sphere. These images provide compelling evidence that contradicts the flat Earth model. Gravity and buoyancy. Flat Earth proponents often argue that objects fall to the ground because they are denser than the surrounding air, rather than being pulled by gravity. While this explanation may work for objects falling in a vacuum, it fails to explain why objects of different densities fall at the same rate in the presence of air resistance. Gravity provides a consistent and comprehensive explanation for these phenomena. Lack of international collaboration. If the Earth were truly flat and there was a massive global conspiracy to hide this fact, it would require the collaboration of countless governments, space agencies, scientists, pilots, sailors, and many others. The absurdity lies in the idea that so many people could maintain such a vast secret for centuries without any leaks or substantial evidence to support the conspiracy. These are just a few examples of the absurdities and inconsistencies within the flat Earth theory. The overwhelming scientific evidence, observations, and logical reasoning strongly support the spherical shape of our planet.